everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you what's in my Freelance makeup artist travel case. This is the new case that I got from Etoile, and I'm really excited to show you what this is like. I love it. It's like the perfect size. It's really lightweight, and I've also got a few packages that just arrived today, so I'm gonna open those, and yeah, we're just gonna go through everything. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So at the front there's just a little pouch which I don't have anything in at the moment, but you can fit a lot of stuff in there, so I love that it's got that. There's so many different compartments, so you can fit a lot in this. And then for the main compartment, so it's got a few little plastic pouches at the front, and I've just got some disposables in here, and then I've got my lashes in this one down here. And then it comes with these 4 makeup bags which stick onto the back because there's 2 Velcro strips at the back and there's Velcro on the back of these bags, so it sticks in really nicely. I'm going to go through all the bags individually. I'll just show you the size. So it is on wheels, so it's really easy to transport and travel with. So on this side it's just like this big flap which you just open like this, and it opens all the way, and it's got these compartments here, so I just keep some of my palettes in here. So this is the Tartelette in Bloom palette, which is a nice neutral palette. It's definitely one that I use all the time. And then I love that it's got like 2 separate compartments, so it's like divided down the center. And I've just got one palette in here at the moment. This is my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, another good neutral palette. And then on this side I've just got one palette. So I've got my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is very messy, but I love this palette. It's such a good neutral palette, but it's got some pops of color as well. It's got a black, and yeah, I just really love this palette. I've had this for so long. It's got these little elasticated bits, so you can put, I don't know, brushes or different types of tools in there. And then 2 pouches at the front here, so that's really good. There's lots of space in this. So it's got that little slot to put your business card in, which I don't have yet. And then another little compartment in here, which I don't have anything. So I'll probably just keep baby wipes in there and just things that I would like I need to access really quickly. And then there's another compartment down here, and I've got a few palettes in here. So I've got a blush palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 color palette, which looks like this. I love having palettes like this because you can just use them for all different skin tones. You don't have to like mess around with too many different products and finding different shades. I've got the Anastasia contour kit, the powder kit, and I've got an Inglot palette. So this is just another neutral palette. You can never have too many neutral palettes, especially being a makeup artist. So those fit really nicely in there. Alright, so I'll zoom up and I'll show you what's in my makeup bags. Alright, so in this first one I keep all my makeup brushes, as you can see. So these are all my brushes at the moment. I'm not really going to go through them at the moment, not in this video anyway. I might do a separate video, but I'm still building up my collection. I've got some Sigma brushes, I've got some MAC brushes, Real Techniques, Morphe, Dose of Colors. I just got one of these little spatulas. This one is from Inglot, so it's just a basic spatula which is essential for being a makeup artist. Yeah, they're mostly affordable brands. So yeah, that's where I keep my brushes at the moment. I'm thinking of getting like a brush cup holder just so I can have my brushes standing up as I'm using them. So in this next one is eyes and lips. I think I'm going to organize these better, but just for now I just kind of quickly chucks everything in here. It's kind of organized, but I think I can do a better job. So I've got all of my Inglot pigments on this side. I'll just kind of go through a few of them. So this one's number 1, 2, 3. It's a really nice kind of bridal color. This is number 79, and it looks quite orange in the pot, but it actually comes off like a really nice peachy champagne color. I've got a few gold ones. They all have different reflex. This is number 82. I think this color is so interesting. It's number 85. It's like a purpley color, like a purpley brown with blue reflex. It's so pretty. I've got a few more pinky ones, so 116, 82 and 61. A couple of blue ones because you never know when you need a pop of blue. This is 113 and this is 58. This one's actually a pigment. It's just like pure pigment. That one's really pretty. That's more like a chunky glitter. This one's another pigment like the blue one. It's like a really hot pink. So that one is number 214. I've got this purpley shade, a silver. I've got this coppery color from OCC Cosmetics. It's called beige. This one's more like a metallic-y green. So I've got all those, and then I've got my gel liners. So I've got a bunch of colors as well, and these are waterproof, so these last a long time. This is like my favorite liner to use when I want something that's not going to move. You can even use these as eye bases because they don't move. They set down and they stay put all day. So yeah, I've got a bunch of those as well. I've got black. That one's like a navy blue. I've got another black. This is from the JLo collection, but it's not around anymore. This one's like a cool tone bronzy color. That is number 96. Got a little lash palette if I need it. I do have some of my Inglot lipsticks. They're basically just all nudes. This one is 168, which is a nice nude. 220. When I was working at Inglot, I used to use these lipsticks all the time, like these two colors, 168 and 220. Even on deeper skin tones, if you just put on like a darker lip liner and then just put this in the center, it looks so pretty. So I've got a few of the Inglot brow gels. And there, a couple more loose glitters. I've got my Inglot Duraline, which is really good for mixing in with the gel liners if they start to dry out, or you can mix it in with lipsticks or pretty much anything, and it's also going to make the products waterproof. Okay, so I picked up 3 Morphe lip liners because these are like must-haves. They're so nice and creamy. So I've got Makeup Talk, Honeymoon and Sweet Tea. I'm not going to swatch them now because I'm going to get my hands all messy. Alright, so I've got 3 MAC lipsticks. I've got Velvet Teddy. These are brand new, I just got them. So I just got a few shades that I think will go with a lot of different skin tones and that I know I'm going to be using all the time. So this one is Honey Love. And then lastly I got Faux, which is more of a pinky colour. So there's those 3, which I think I'll use all the time on my clients. I've got my brow gel in here. Eyeliners from Inglot, so I've got the nude, white and black. I've got my Inglot eyeshadow keeper, which is an eyeshadow primer. So if someone's got oily lids or hooded eyes, I'll use this because it will help the eyeshadow to not crease and not transfer as much. These are the HD lip tints from Inglot, 42 and 17. Mascara. I've got so much stuff from Inglot because that's where I used to work. So all of these lip glosses are from Inglot. They're the Sleeks lip glosses. They're basically just pinky nude shades, a couple peachy colours, and I also got the clear. Another lip gloss from Inglot. This is the volumizing lip gloss in Manhattan. Another clear gloss from Rimmel. Yeah. And just a couple more nude lip pencils. And yeah, that's about it in this one. Alright, so in this next one I've got a few of the Inglot HD sculpting powders. These are really good because you can put them all into one palette and just kind of have it out when you're doing makeup. And then I've got this little Ziploc bag with all of my loose eyeshadows and powders. I just have to get a palette to put them in. I'm probably going to get rid of some of these eyeshadows, but I've just put them in here right now just so they stay clean and it doesn't get all over my new makeup bags. And these are all from Inglot. Okay, I've got a few setting sprays. So I've got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I love. I've got MAC Fix Plus in the coconut scent. And then this just has alcohol in it. I really need to change the bottle so that I don't mistake it for setting spray, but I use that to clean my brushes. And then I have the Inglot Makeup Fixer, which is a setting spray. I've got a little toner and makeup remover from Inglot. hand sanitizer. So I've got a few powders from Inglot. So I've got number 14, and these I just use for setting the face. This one is in the number 33, and this one's for mattifying the face. I've got my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, which is a must just for lightly setting the face. I've got an Inglot loose highlighter. This is the Sparkling Dust in 06. I'm probably not going to open it because it's going to go everywhere. And then I've got my MAC highlighter in Soft and Gentle, which is just so pretty. It goes with a lot of different skin tones. I've got a few pairs of lashes in here from Model Rock. And then I've just got some mascara ones and just some random disposables. And lastly, I have my base products, so like my liquid foundations and concealers. Alright, so I want to grow my MAC foundation kit because I want to get most of the MAC shades just for all different skin tones, but just for now I have NC15. I have NC25, NC35 and NC37. So I feel like those are really good starter colors. So yeah, I've got those shades and I do plan on getting some more. I'm just gonna like slowly build up my collection of MAC foundations. So I've got a few of the Inglot HD foundations, a couple of darker shades as well. The YSM cream foundation from Inglot, Beautifier tinted cream, and another beautifier. I've got one of the Inglot Glow On highlighters in the shade 23, so it's a cream highlighter. And then I've got a few of the LA Girl Pro Concealers, which are pretty good. So I have the shades Medium Beige, Almond, and Light Ivory. And then I've got another spatula, but I don't really like this one because it's really sharp on one end. That's why I got that one from Inglot. It's just so much better. I've got a palette. That's a must in a makeup artist kit. And then I've got my Graftobian HD Cream Foundation Palette, which has a lot of shades, so this one is really good. So that's everything in that one, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so now I'm going to quickly go through the packages that I got. These are all going to be for my freelance kit. So first up is Priceline. So I got a few concealers from Priceline. I really love the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I got 10 fair. I think I got 2. Yeah, I got 2 of those in the shade 10. I got 25 medium, 15 light, and 20 sand. So those are really good concealers from the drugstore. I got some Ardell individual lashes. These are just a must to have. You never know when someone's going to want individual lashes. Next up is Mecca. Okay, so this came in the box for free. It's a fresh hydrating hydrogel individual sheet mask and a bright-eyed hydrogel eye mask. So that's cool. I got a few brushes. So a couple Morphe brushes and a MAC brush. It's just a nice, pretty flimsy brush. I don't really own many brushes like this, but I thought this would be nice for just like an all-over bronze look on the skin. So that is the MAC 137S. I'm pretty sure MAC has changed all of their brushes to synthetic hairs, so they all say S after the number. So I just got a flat foundation brush, and then I got 2 highlighter brushes because I actually have a bridal party next month, and I'm trying to get like all the brushes that I need because I know I'm not going to have much time to clean my brushes in between, so I'm making sure that I've got enough brushes for everyone. It's a pretty big bridal party. It actually originally was 9 girls and then she brought it down to 7. I think I was just really excited when she messaged me because I've never done like a big bridal party before, and I was just like, yeah, I can do it. Like, I didn't realize how early of a start it was going to be because they have to be ready by 8 AM. It's a really early wedding. So yeah, it's still going to be an early start with 7 people, but I'm going to make it work. So these are 2 of the M451. They're just nice, like smaller detailed highlighter brushes. I just think this is the perfect size for highlighting. And then I've got 2 of the Too Faced bronzers, so the Milk Chocolate Soleil and Chocolate Soleil. Let's open these up. These are not like really warm tone bronzers, they're actually more cool tone, so you could probably contour with these because I find that really warm tone bronzers just look really orange on some people, so I got these and I thought these would be really good for some people. It's more like a neutral bronzer slash contour look. And then lastly from Mecca, I got the Skin Filter Blurring Primer. So this is really good for blurring the pores and just giving like a smooth canvas. I got a couple things from iHerb. iHerb is like a online discount store, so I got a few things. I got 2 of the duo eyelash glues. I got the dark tone and the clear. These are the brush on ones, so these are really good. I know they work really well because I used to use these. And then I got the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. This is just really good to have in your kit. You never know when you're going to have to remove something. A couple brushes from Morphe. So I got 2 of the E4 brushes. I like using these angled brushes for blush. You can also use them for contouring. It's just personal preference. I just like the size and the shape to just apply blush. And then I got the E49 flat pointed powder brush. So I got this one for dusting off powder under the eyes or even applying it. And then lastly, I got some lash applicator tweezers. These are really good for applying strip lashes. Okay, and lastly I have a package from Sephora. I got one of the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzers. I got it in the shade Tantalize. This was 40% off, that's why I got it. Otherwise it's really expensive. This thing is ginormous, but I love the packaging, and this would be really good for deeper skin tones. As you can see, the color is really nice. I got one of the Zoeva 227 brushes, basically just a blending brush. So I picked up 2 of the Anastasia number 12 brow brushes, and then I also got 2 of the A23 highlighter brushes from Anastasia. I think it will flare out a little bit more with use. And then I got a Zoeva Luxe Face Focus brush. I got this for mainly under the eyes, dusting off powder. This brush is double-sided. It's from It Cosmetics. It's the Complexion Perfection brush. Okay, so here's the brush. I've been wanting this brush for ages. I just love both sides. So I got a brush from Fenty. This is the Powder Puff setting brush. This is such a pretty color. So I got this for setting the face with powder, or I guess you could use it for bronzer as well. And lastly, I got a beauty blender. So I got the beige one this time. Alright, so that is everything I have to show you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you're a beginner or if you're just getting into freelancing, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!